Hello everybody. Today I am going to discuss about the drugs which are containing volatile oil. That is volatile oil containing drugs like mentha, clove and cinnamon, coming under pharmacognosy and phytochemistry 2 of unit 2, B Pharm 5th semester according to Pharmacy Council of India syllabus. So let me start about the description of the mentha. mentha synonym is peppermint, जिसको हम पुदीना बोलते हैं. mentha oil synonym is Oleum mentha peperita, mentha oil, peppermint oil. About biological source, peppermint leaf consists of the dried leaves of mentha peperita family Labiaceae. mentha peperita is a hybrid of mentha aquatica and mentha spicata. Similarly, mentha spicata is a hybrid of mentha longifolia and mentha suaveolens. Mentha oil is obtained by steam distillation, as we have I have already told about the different methods of extraction of volatile oil. So direct steam distillation is being carried out for getting the mentha oil from this plant, peppermint plant. So mentha oil is obtained by steam distillation of the fresh flowering tops of the plant mentha peperita of family Labiaceae. About the characteristics, you see this is the plant. Mentha leaves are 3 to 8 centimeter long and 1.5 to 4 centimeter broad with serrate margin. So margin is serrate. You see the margin is serrate. Acute apex is acute, pointed apex, that is, and petiolate. Since petiole is there, that is why it is called petiolate. The leaves are dark green with a purple tinge. When they are matured, a purple tinge may be seen. And the mentha oil which is being extracted out from peppermint leaves or peppermint plant, the mentha oil is a colorless to pale yellow liquid. You see, this is the pale yellow color liquid, agreeable menthol odor, pungent taste followed by cooling sensation. So it is soluble in 4 volume of 70% alcohol, that is ethanol, ether, chloroform, and ultimately insoluble in water, because about the solubility I have discussed in my last video that all volatile oils are insoluble in water. Likewise, mentha oil is also not soluble in water. About the chemical constituents, mentha contains about 0.7 to 1.5% of volatile oil. It's very less, we can say 0.7 to 1.5. It contains chiefly L-menthol, means out of 0.7 to 1.5% of volatile oil, 50 to 70% contain L-menthol. Other important constituents are menthol, menthafuran, jasmine, methyl isovalerate, and other terpene derivatives like L-limonene, cineol, pinene, camphene, etc. Jasmine and esters are responsible for pleasant odor, pleasant flavor, while menthafuran causes resinification which develops dirty smell, because that due to the presence of more hydrocarbons, they are of dirty smell, and that causes a bad odor. Because menthafuran causes resinification, because resins are there. Due to the presence of resins, it develops dirty smell. These are the various structures like menthol, menthafuran, and menthone. About the uses, both mentha and its oil. Mentha means these leaves are generally used as a condiment or to prepare a liquor. Both mentha and its oil used as carbonative, stimulant and flavoring agent, having mild antiseptic properties. Mentha oil is a potent spasmolytic, Menthol is having cooling sensation and antipruritic action to prepare cough relieving drugs, nasal sprays and inhalants. They are also used in toothpaste, tooth powders, shaving cream, mouthwash, liqueurs, chewing gum, candies, jellies and perfumes, etc. These are the various commercial use. Apart from the pharmaceutical use, menthol is considered by USA FDA Food and Drugs Administration as nasal decongestant in inhalation, in steam, as well as topical products and lozenges for its antitussive effects, because it is some cooling sensation. That is why it is very much effective in the cough. So lozenges are being prepared for its antitussive effects. Then I will discuss about the clove, लौंग जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में. Synonym is Caryophyllum, clove flower, clove buds. About the biological source, clove consists of dried flower buds of Syzygium aromaticum. Previous name was there, Eugenia caryophyllus. This is the new name, Syzygium aromaticum, coming under family Myrtaceae. About the characters, see, bright red, reddish brown. You see, these are the cloves, flower buds or clove buds. Bright reddish brown, slightly aromatic and spicy odor. Taste is pungent and aromatic, followed by numbness. Whenever you chew these clove by your teeth, sensation of numbness or sensation, loss of sensation in that particular area is felt inside the buccal cavity. So that is called numbness. It is 10 to 17.5 millimeter long, 4 millimeter in width and 2 millimeter thickness. Shape is, the stalk of the clove consists of a cylindrical hypanthium. This is the hypanthium, cylindrical hypanthium, surrounded with 4 thick acute divergent sepals. These are the sepals. These are the sepals. Divergent means opening outwardly. Divergent sepals surrounded by dome-shaped corolla. This is the corolla, dome-shaped. The corolla consists of unexpanded membranous petals with several stamens and style, stiff, prominent style. When you open this dome, this corolla, you will find inside the corolla consists of unexpanded membranous petals. Some petals you will see with several stamens and single style is there, single stiff prominent style. It can be seen easily when you open this corolla. About the chemical constituents, it contains about 14 to 21% of volatile oil, 10 to 13% of tannin in the form of gallotannic acid, resin, chromone and eugenin. The volatile oil contains eugenol. 14 to 21% of volatile oil means too much. Out of that, about 70 to 90% of the volatile oil contains eugenol. Eugenol acetate, caryophyllins and small quantities of esters, ketones and alcohols. Likewise, clove oil, when it is extracted out, clove oil is obtained, and the color of the clove oil is colorless and somewhat pale yellow liquid, slightly heavier than water, relative density 1.047 to 1.060, and it is soluble in 1 to 2 volume of 70% alcohol. It is slightly heavier than water. About the chemical test, TS of clove, transverse section of clove means this hypanthium portion is being taken for the transverse section. Transverse section of clove is treated with strong potassium hydroxide solution. Needle-shaped crystals of potassium eugenate are observed. When you see under microscope, after taking the TS of the hypanthium of the clove treated with strong potassium hydroxide solution, needle-shaped crystals of potassium eugenate are observed. Number 2, that is alcoholic extract of the drug. When extraction is being done by taking this clove, alcoholic extract of the drug when treated with ferric chloride solution shows blue color. Why? Because of the presence of tannin that I have already discussed, that it contains 10 to 13% of tannin. That is why, due to the presence of tannin with ferric chloride solution, it shows blue color. Uses: clove is used as a dental analgesic. So generally in toothache, clove is being used. Clove oil is used. It is being applied to the toothache person. It is also used as carminative, stimulant, flavoring agent, aromatic, and ultimately it is antiseptic in nature. Clove oil is used as a flavoring agent, stimulant, aromatic, and antiseptic. So this clove oil, particularly either clove or clove oil, is being applied to the toothache person. So it since it produces numbness in the affected area because of loss of sensation, it is used as a dental analgesic. Next drug is your cinnamon. It is generally used dalchini, or it is called as dalchini. Synonym says cinnamon bark, Kalmi dalchini, and Sri Lanka cinnamon. Because why it is called Sri Lanka cinnamon synonym? Because the cinnamon which is obtained from Sri Lanka region, that is commercially having high value in the market and is of best quality. About the biological source, cinnamon consists of the dried inner bark of the shoots of coppice trees of Cinnamomum zillenicum. You see, dried inner bark of the shoot. So this is to be understood first, because why the shoots are being, inner bark of the shoots are being taken and it is collected by this method, coppice method. Because when you come in contact with the different process or different procedure for peeling out the bark of the trees, one is felling, another one is uprooting, another one is coppice. This is the method, special method which is required for collecting the bark of the cinnamon plant, Cinnamomum zillenicum family Lauraceae. About the characters of the bark, color is, outer surface is dark, dull yellowish brown, while the inner surface is dark yellowish brown. Outer surface is dull yellowish brown and inner surface is dark yellowish brown color. You see. Odor fragrant, taste aromatic and sweet taste, followed by warm sensation. When you chew or chew by your teeth the bark of cinnamon bark, you will feel that it gives some warm sensation. It is sweet in taste. Shape you will find it is found in the form of compound quills, because it is found in several forms. This is the compound quills because inside the bark, you see, while collection, some broken pieces are also there. That is why it is called compound coil. Size 1 meter in length. This is the highest highest length 1 meter, because it depends upon the collection of the bark. When it is not broken, when it is intact at the time of collection, it is 1 meter in length and 1 centimeter in diameter. Thickness is approximately 0.5 millimeter, because while peeling the thickness should be less, otherwise that is of inferior quality at the time. So skilled labor are necessary for peeling out the bark. The bark should not contain any tissue debris of the stem, so only bark is to be collected. So that is why the thickness is approximately 0.5 millimeter. Fracture is splintery. The broken surface of the bark is splintery in nature. The outer surface of the bark is marked by wavy longitudinal striations. Just some vertical lines you will see, that longitudinal striations with small holes of scars left by the branches. The inner surface also shows the longitudinal striations, and bark is free of cork, because the bark is collected by this method. That is why bark is free of cork. Cork is not there in the bark. About the chemical constituents, bark contains about 0.5 to 1% of volatile oil. This is very too less. Only 0.5 to 1% of volatile oil, 1 to 2% of tannins, mucilage, calcium oxalate, starch, and a sweet substance known as mannitol. So due to the presence of this sweet substance mannitol, it is sweet in taste. You see, sweet taste is aromatic and sweet, followed by warm sensation. So due to the presence of this mannitol, it is sweet in taste. Similarly, cinnamon oil, when it is being collected out from the cinnamon bark, cinnamon oil contains 60 to 70% of cinnamaldehyde, 5 to 10% of eugenol, benzaldehyde, cuminaldehyde, and other terpenes like phellandrine, pinene, cymene, caryophyllene, etc. And cinnamon oil is yellow to red in color. You see, this is yellow to red in color. When it is kept for a longer time, this becomes dark in color. The redness will come. This is the structure of eugenol and alpha pinene. About the chemical taste, the volatile oil means cinnamon oil mixed with 5 ml alcohol and 1 drop of ferric chloride solution gives green color. Ultimately, the volatile oil is soluble in alcohol, and 1 drop of ferric chloride solution is added to it, so green color is obtained. Second one is eugenol, because you know that it contains eugenol. This is 5 to 10% of eugenol. So it is a test for presence of eugenol. Eugenol, when treated with ferric chloride solution, gives blue color. And third one is chloroform extract of volatile oil. On slide, 1 drop of 10% aqueous phenyl hydrogen hydrochloride solution gives rod shaped crystals of cinnamic aldehyde. So in a glass slide, it is being taken, either chloroform extract of cinnamon bark or volatile oil is taken on a glass slide, and 1 drop of 10% of aqueous phenyl hydrogen hydrochloride solution is added to it, gives rod shaped crystals of cinnamic aldehyde when it is seen under microscope. About the uses, bark is used as carminative, stomachic, and mild astringent. Also used as a flavoring agent, stimulant, aromatic, and antiseptic. Commercially, it is used as a spice and condiment, and you have seen that in our household or in the kitchen, it is a ready-made cinnamon powder or cinnamon bark is also used in various food preparations or foodstuffs preparations, spice and condiment, and also in the preparation of some candy, dentifrices, and perfumes. Dentifrices means some preparations which are meant for dental product like tooth powder or toothpaste like this, for its good aromatic smell or odor and taste. Also it improves the taste also because it gives sweet sweet taste due to the presence of mannitol, and also used as perfumes. So this is all about the three drugs like mentha, clove, and cinnamon. In my next video I will discuss some more like fennel and coriander, which comes under the volatile oil volatile oil containing drugs. So thanks a lot for watching the video patiently till then. Thanks.